Welcome to SKM Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 6, 2022. Hard Sudoku. 6th grade. We have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row. 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. Column J. We have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade. 2 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4. Column I. We will article 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J. We will article 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 9. Column G. We have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 5. Column I we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 10th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th grade. 4 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9, 1. 8th row, we have 4, 6, 9, 4. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 9. Column C, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 7. 3rd row and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Fourth grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come here on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come here on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 7th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. Column E, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 2nd row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. 2nd grade, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 3rd grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.